Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Convoy 4X18A. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com. They wanted me to test and review this light. Comes in a plain box. Shows here I have the 5000K version. So let's wait no further, let's open this up, see what's in. Now these are budget friendly lights, so you don't get any kind of user manual or any kind of basic accessories. Sometimes you get some lanyards or adapters for additional batteries. This here you do as well. There's the light. Now this is a multi-cell light, so it's going to be more beefy, especially in weight. Even without the batteries, it's pretty heavy. A lot of heat sinking here. A lot of knurling here on the body. This does have a USB Type-C charging port, and it is 2 amp. So you'll get a little bit faster charging of your batteries. Steel bezel on here. Now these soda can size lights are extremely popular, and of course Convoy makes a very nice budget friendly, so you'll be able to get one without having to pay the higher price tags. Now the style and design on this is very nice. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. This is running the world famous Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Alright, so let's get this open so I can show you the insides. There's the head of the light. And here's the adapter for flat top cells. Comes in handy. Nice quality springs down inside. Got some weight to it as well. Alright, so now let me bring out a set of cells. I'm going to show you ones with button top and one with flat tops. And I'll show you the button tops first. And the button top cells here that I'm going to be using are the LG MJ1s. Probably my second favorite battery. Now you can get these in flat top, but I got the button top. So they got a little bit thicker wrapper on there, but to me it's a lot more durable than the OEM. Now these are 3500 milliamp 10 amp cells. Should be plenty for this light running the single quad LED. I'll put it together and I'll show you how this works. And just like that, turns on, turns off, press and hold to go through those light outputs, or you can do them individually. I'll take a look at the beam here, just so you can see. Nice hot spot in there. It does have a little dark spot there, but that disappears as soon as you pull it back. So you're only going to see it up front and close. Nice large spill area. Cutoff is abrupt. A little bit of bleeding around the edge of that, but it's really sharp on the edges on that. Highest output there, 4300 lumens. That's a lot of light. Turn that back down to the lowest light output. Single click that to turn it off. And that's all there is to this light. Really like these Convoys. They're more bigger on build quality and the ruggedness as well as performance, so you're not getting all those extra bells and whistles, which is nice. Now I'll show you how to use a flat top cell using the adapter. And just like this here, as you can see, they go in there, and that just gives it enough to where it can spin safely, locks it into the batteries themselves so they don't spin. And we're going to go ahead and put the batteries in here. Nice that you can use flat top or button top. You're just going to situate that on the cells like that. It's not going to go anywhere. Now these are 20 amp LG HG2 cells. They're my all-time favorite battery. A lot of amps that come out of here, and just like that you're ready to go. I'll show you the beam here on the table once more before we head outside. Huge amount of light. Incredible. Again, you can do it one at a time if you want. Press and hold, release. Or you can press it down and it'll go through automatically. Click it one time, and that's all there is to this light. So some nice battery options for this. You're not limited to one type of battery. Solid build on this. Let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Convoy 4X18A. So let's go ahead and get started. See how this bad boy does. And that's 35 feet to that water spout from where I'm standing. Making 65 feet to that tree there, so that's pretty impressive. There's the beam on the fence, give you an idea. Alright, let's do the next level here, see how it does. Spill has come alive. Nice large spill area. And it is making it across the park. Even though the water's on, it's making it out there. That looks really good. Finally making those trees out there. 238 feet there to that tree behind the tree of life. 138 feet to this tree of life here. Making it to the school there. Alright, let's go to the next level here. Nice jump. Evenly spaced in the UI. And it is making the palm trees. Now the hotspot is so large, it's going to light up both of them. Easily making those trees way out there. There's the playground there across the park. We got the other one right there. Fence line, tree line. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Wow, look at that. Incredible. Huge hot spot. Easily making it across the park, as you can see. Those trees are lighting up really nicely. Now this thing is heavier than the other Convoy I tested just recently, so really depends on you. 238 feet to that tree back there, and those are even farther. Usually lighting up the school. Huge spill area. Look at it, lighting up both of those palm trees. Do before and after here. Before, after. We're going to go end it here on the Tree of Life. Alright. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, welcome back. Excellent performance on this light. I like the fact that the higher levels of light output, this does get warm, but it seems to me that this actually dissipates the heat better than the M26C. Now the single cell is a lot lighter, more cells, it's going to be a lot heavier. You know, you really can't go wrong, especially if your budget is on the tight side. You can get one of these. Now these here are budget friendly lights. They're not extremely expensive, so if you're needing a good quality light with a lot of light output, good run times, if you run a quality cell, I recommend the LG, either one. You're going to get some really good performance out of this light. And then of course you can table stand that as well. Alright, well, I want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link to my store down in the description below. I will include my special discount code there also, just in case you might be interested in getting this. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these budget-friendly convoys to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.